Hi everyone! So hi new subscribers, my name is Yan. Welcome back sa aking mga returning tambayers. Thank you so much. At kung hindi niyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong main channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. The High Priestess. So if you're interested, just click yung link nandyan. No? Nilagay ko sa description box. At doon ay meron din tayong collective readings araw-araw. No? At meron din tayo doon na reading per zodiac sign kung yun naman ang inyong hanap. No? At meron din tayong stalking time doon at ito ngayon, no, dito sa ating Dalnim channel, no. Dalnim means goddess of the moon in Korean. So, parang high priestess din, mga babes, no. So, alamin natin ngayon if you know that drill, mga babes, no. Stalking time, if there's specific person on your mind na gusto ninyong i-check yung kanyang thoughts involving you guys, or what's his or her deal right now, ano ginagawa niya ngayon, then hopefully makuha natin ang energy niya. But if you do not have someone right here, like a specific person, but you want to attract new love, new soulmate, that's also possible. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates, okay? That's how stalking time, no, is paano natin ginagawa. So, okay, you can focus while listening at nagsha-shuffle ako, or pwede rin namang i-pause ninyo at i-resume nyo na lamang ang video na to after ninyo makapag-focus sa inyong intentions. Okay? So, let's see from your reading. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael. Angel guides. Can we get messages right here? Connecting with my collective. What are the things they need to know regarding this energy na kumukonek sa kanila? So, let me see. What are the things, messages, situations related to this energy na kumukonek kay collective peace? Okay, thank you so much again, Archangel Michael, Angel Guides. So, let us see. We have here, wala tayong gender ha, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. At pwede rin po na magkapalit-palit yung mga roles dahil general reading naman ito. No, and at the end of the day, everybody may free will kayo kung gusto nyong gawin itong guidance or not. Okay, you could be seeing a lot of number 1111. You're on the right path right here. So definitely, everything starts to move in accordance to your favor. So, let me see. Kumbaga parang ball is at your court, sweetheart, no? That's paano natin sabihin in other words. So, we have here this retaliation, punish, playback, revenge. We also move natin dito. We also have here for you guys this loss, ghosted, block, cut off. Nightlife, we have here gamble, take risk, Vegas. We also have here this splurge. We also have here this pretending. We also have here the Archangel Michael, of course. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael. Crush. And bottom of the deck, we have triggers. Okay? Name, car, place. Ooh. Big message. Let's see from the tarot. Latag muna natin lahat, mga babes, so bago natin pag-usapan ito more. Tell me more about the situation, please. For my collective people. Tell me more. Okay. We have here the Ace of Cups. We also have here for you guys the Four of Swords. Ten of Cups. There's a combination right here of an old person and there's a new one as well. Queen of Cups. Seven of Wands. Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. We have here, may sabi ko sa inyo, ba't ako natawa? Four of Coins right here and the Two of Cups. Yun. No? So, nagre-reflect. So, dito na lamang natin ilagay, sweethearts. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. With full guidance of Archangel Michael and the army of angels right here, no, as your guidance for this reading. So here mga babes, no, there's a combination of an old person right here and also a new person here. So let's get started. So nakita ko dito that we have here this retaliation wherein meron dito na parang napaparusahan. Now, there's punishment right here na parang naipapataw because of something that he or she had done na hindi maganda. So this person here now feels lost. Okay, and it looks like this person here is having a pretentious life. When we say pretentious life, it looks like, yeah, I'm okay, I'm fine, yan, I'm alright, no, but deep down inside, sobrang hirap na itong situation na to for him or her. No? It's like, nagre-reflect na lamang ito na parang, o tara, labas tayo, no? Inaaya niya yung mga other friends niya, co-workers niya, inuman tayo, sagot ko, libre ko, blah, blah, blah. Yan, parang kahit wala namang may birthday dito, wala namang kailangan i-celebrate, na nag-aaya siya rito, no? Why? Loneliness is killing him or her right here because he or she, ang truth ay, he or she feels lost, you know? Hindi niya rito maintindihan ano nangyayari rito. Parang hindi ata siya rito masaya. And it looks like loneliness starts to eat up this person's life, no? At ito, nakakaloka yung iba. Nagsimula lang 2 months ago, 3 months ago, no? But pero pinakita rito sa atin na kung sino man tong nakakonect ninyo, possible na it's been a year or it's been years, no? Na kayo ay nag-got separated. So maybe this is your ex-husband, ex-wife right here, ex-boyfriend, ex-live-in, ex-girlfriend right here, ex ninyo. But this loneliness na kinakain siya dito could had just started recently, like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, no? Or kakasimula pa lang. That's why malakas yung kick neto, no? Malakas yung sipa neto, no? And it looks like this person here is overspending money. So it looks like, no, na parang kunyari kakalabas lang nila, inuman with friends, no, lalabas ulit, no, para uminom ulit, no? Parang naghahanap siya rito ng kasiyahan. Naghahanap siya rito ng pampabuhay ng kanyang loob, no? So parang hindi siya yung klase ng energy na he or she can be on his or her own company. Like, let's say, ibig sabihin nun, no, hindi niya kaya yung nasa bahay, Netflix chill, magmukmok, manood ng mga series, movies, no, naboboard siya rito. At hindi lang ito boredom. This is more than boredom right here. This is something here na malungkot talaga. No? Kaya parang, ano to, pinapasigla or pinapasaya niya rito yung kanyang puso. Ganong klase ng energy, no? At ginagawa niya rito ang paraan by gathering up yung kanyang mga friends. O ano, wala ba tayong ganap dyan? Yan, no? Uy, pre, anong oras na? May pasok pa tayo bukas. No? Okay lang yan. Okay lang malit. Enjoy life. Yung mga ganyan-ganyan siya rito. Na parang, siya ito na pinapakita niya sa ibang tao na okay lang siya, happy naman siya, no? Pero, this person here is living, no? Beyond talaga rito, no? Na gusto niyang isurpass yung loneliness. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no? Medyo nagkikick in. Okay? Paano nagkikick in, Miss Yan? Yung mga memories ninyo together. Merong mga situations kung saan dinadala ulit siya ng mga paa niya, no? At hindi niya yung sinasadya. Talagang nababalikan niya yung mga lugar kung saan nanggaling kayo, kumakain kayo dati, pinupuntahan ninyo, pinapasyalan ninyo, or baka doon kayo nagkakilala, bla bla bla. Diba? At yung iba naman rito mga babes, no, ay possible na hindi lang yung mga lugar na yan. Pwedeng naririnig niya rin yung mga pangalan ninyo, no, yung pangalan mo, naririnig niya. Kahit hindi naman ikaw yun, no, kunwari napadaan siya rito at may kapangalan ka, no, oh, collective, yan, no, mapapalingon siyang gano'n, no, pero hindi lang yun isang coincidence, hindi lang yun isang serendipity, it is something here na parte ng punishment, parte ng pagbabayad ng kanya ritong pagkakautang na hurt sa'yo. Yan. See? Yung iba ha, parang meron ditong hinuhulugan sila na sasakyan, kotse, motor. May ganun tayo na pick up rito, no, na energy or nagbabalak kumuha rito ng vehicle, car, motorcycle, whatever, no? So, may ganung klase ng energy, no? Kasama ba dyan yung bike, Miss Yan? Oo, kasama. Basta, vehicle, means of transportation, no? That is one of the clue na pwedeng isa sa mga ginagawa niya ngayon as his or her personal dealing sa life, pero pwede rin naman na isa rito, no, sa mga plano niya, no, na bilhin, gawin, ganun, no, so may ganyan. So this person right here is someone who's lonely, pero tinatago niya yun by inom, by videoke, by chatting with friends, no, by mingling with other people, yan, no. But this person here feels lost, no. Nakita ko rito that this person here is someone who blocked you first sa inyong social media or who cut off you first. But this person right here is just pretending that it's okay na nakablock kayo sa kanya. So I do see that this person here, possible na tinitingnan niya rito ang inyong profile, no, which is nakablock pa din, and thinking of unblocking it. So, iniisip niya yun. At yung iba ginawa na yun, no? So, waiting na lang siya rito, no, kung kayo ay magme-message sa kanya or hindi, no? Pero yung iba possible na makita ninyo, no, in the upcoming weeks right here that you were already unblocked by this ex of yours who is really feeling lonely and lost right now, no, receiving punishment right here. Okay? But with this plugged in, and we have here, no, the beautiful energy of our Archangel Michael, I do see, ano ba, sa mga mahal, no? Protection, prevented from harm, divine intervention. Exactly, divine intervention is present dito sa inyong reading, no? And it looks like that the armies of angel na pinangungunahan, no, ni Archangel Michael, they are protecting you. That's why you are tuned in, naka-plug in kayo, no? Para yung internet na kay ganda ng flow. Very connected kayo rito, no, with your own space right now. Meaning to say, this is you na parang okay na kayo, nagkakaroon na kayo rito ng parang gana mabuhay ulit, no? You've cheered yourself up, you're now happy, okay, in your own life. You're now doing great, doing good, doing fine, okay? At hindi yun na rin naiisip rito yung mga parang kahit na anong may kinalaman sa, hindi lang sa past, no? Kundi parang pag ayaw nyo isipin, kasi ayaw nyo mangyari, edi hindi nyo iniisip. Parang ganong klase ng energy ninyo, no? So, nakita ko dito na nagfo-fall yung new person because this is you na you are now attracting a new soulmate to enter your life. Ace of Cups energy. And this is not just a soulmate right here. This is someone here na talagang makaka-tune in mo. Talagang magda-dance ng same rhythm, same song here with you guys. Both of you could be music lovers, that's what I'm picking up, but doesn't have to be. But maybe this is you that you will both dance, no, anumang klase ng rhythm ang inyo ritong pagdaanan sa inyong connection up until pagdaanan sa inyo ritong relasyon, no? Well, hindi na nakakapagtaka because the armies of Archangel Michael and the angel guides, no, ay talaga namang pinoprotektahan kayo rito, no? So, nakita ko rito, no, na andun kayo sa punto ng life ninyo that you were definitely crushed here by your ex-partner, no? Na parang nadurog nila rito yung heart mo, yung puso mo, you become broken, no? You became broken because of them. Okay, you felt like you are not enough and you even questioned yourself, no? During that time, but now you're no longer into that type of energy and now you are giving judgment here, no? Pagdating sa yung own life. So, I'm seeing you receiving here right love. And I'm seeing you right here, no, na parang mas kalmado, mas kampante yung energy mo. Mas okay kayo. At yung iba nakita ko, kausap nyo na yung Ace of Cups na yan or yung inyong new love. And it looks like you're pretty good sa kanyang company, no? So, nakikita ko dito back and forth messages. You're sending messages to this person and this person is replying you back. And nakikita ko dito yung familiarity and yung comfortness sa inyong connection. Yung iba, nakita ko dito na possible na you are already, nasa stage or darating kayo dun sa papakilala mo siya, ay, ito nga pala yung mga friends ko, ay, ito nga pala, up until ipakilala mo na siya dun sa family mo. Now, with the Ten of Cups energy, I'm seeing na mas magiging boto ang bago na to sa'yo ritong community, sa iyong family, sa iyong friends, sa iyong soul tribe right here, no? And definitely, you'll receive right here, no, that kind of genuine love, no? Queen of Cups energy, meron siya ditong energy na mapag-alaga, very patient with you guys, no? Very understanding, and nakita ko dito na parang makikita mo dito yung katauhan, no, ng kung hindi yung mom mo, kung sino yung parang hinahangaan mo dito, no, sa parents mo or whatever, no, nakatangian rito ng someone na parang favorite person mo. Eh, nakikita natin dito, no. Pero, nakikita ko dito na kung ano man ito, this is something here worth keeping. So, it looks like even though this is just a communication or a connection that just started here or magsisimula pa lamang, this is something here that will give you that fresh up breath air talaga. So, nakita natin dito that this is someone here na talagang, ayan o, may kontrata dito. This is marriage contract right here. No? And I'm seeing you guys, okay, na parehas na full ang inyong cup, okay, for each other. And parehas rito, no, na nakatato sa inyo, no, na pagkatao yung inyong love, no. Alam mo, magiging masagana yung life ninyo. Meron kayong energy rito na magiging abundant ang inyong life, no. Lalo na, ewan ko ha, pero mag-pick up ko rito, kung paplanuhin ninyo magnegosyo, maganda raw yung paupahan, yan, no. So, kung sino man itong mga energies na ito, no, pwede niyo i-consider kasi parang meron ditong negosyo, particularly paupahan, no, kung gagawin niyo yan, possible na maging successful daw po iyan. No? Pero kung sino man yan, no, hindi lang dito sa kaperahan at negosyo magiging successful ang inyo rito, no, na connection, kundi talagang inyong life ay i-bless dito, no? And you are being protected right here, no? So, dito sa panibagong connection mo, no, na papasukin mo dyan, no, kung wala pa yung tao na yun. Pero iba, nagsisimula na ngayon na, meron na, no. Pero ang nakakatawa dito, kung ba't ako natawa, di ba kanina, naalala ninyo, no, because nakakaloka, no, the Seven of Wands is right here, Queen of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, no, your ex will definitely contact you. Di ba binanggit ko sa inyo kanina, iniintay niya rito dahil i-unblock niya nga po kayo. No, at yung ibang mga babes, no, ay talagang kakausapin at kukontakin niya kayo, no? At malalaman niyo yung tungkol sa relasyon na to, no? At posible niya kayo ritong pigilan sa pagpapakasal or dito sa pagpasok sa bagong pag-ibig, no? So, meron siya ditong parang pakonsensya effect, no, kung saan isipin mo kung sino talagang tunay mong mahal. Talaga, ngayon talaga yun. Itatanong, parang ipapakonsensya niya sa inyo or ipapaalala niya sa inyo sino ang tunay mo talagang minamahal, no? Pero alam mo, hinihintay niyang banggitin mo yung pangalan niya, no? Medyo alpha couple mux lang siya dun, pero yun talaga yung tinutumbok ng reading, kaya parang medyo natatawa ako dun sa parte na yun, no? Kasi after all talaga, yung pangalan niya pa rin talaga yung ini-expect niya ritong lalabas sa bibig mo na mas minamahal mo. Ano? Yan, yun na lang. Yan talaga yung mga ano eh. Alam mo yung parang mga aftershock kung tawagin eh. No? So, may ganyan pa siya sa sarili niya kasi nga he or she feels lost. No? At nakikita natin dito na bukod siya ay feels lost, siya din ay loser. Yan, na letter L, loser. So, yeah, ito yung mga messages right here para sa ating pang-stock dito, no, sa inyo ritong love life area. Thank you so much. Again, I'm your Yana on me, Yana Nuna for the boys. Sarang hiya, love in light. And